Hello friends, welcome. Today's video is on Jagery banana fritters. Jagery banana fritters, one of the main Onam dishes, are made with plantain and jaggery. So if you liked the video, remember to like, comment, and share. Welcome to all friends to a new video of Chef Joji. 5 plantains have been taken here to prepare the Jagery fritters. The skin of the banana is removed and it is cleaned. Now the skin is removed. Now we can cut it. First, let's cut the banana in half lengthwise. Now cut it into small pieces of the same size. For Jagery fritters, you need to cut it a little bigger than you cut for fried bananas. We have now cut all 5 plantains. Now in a small bowl, mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 cup of water and set it aside. Now take a pan to fry the bananas and add enough coconut oil to fry them. When the oil is hot, add the sliced bananas to it. Now mix it. Fry this on medium flame. When the bananas are half fried, add 1 teaspoon of the mixture of turmeric powder, salt, and water. Mix it immediately. Now, take it out of this oil. Now all the bananas have been removed from the oil. After some time, put it back in the oil and fry it again. If you fry it only once, the inside of the banana will not cook well. That is why when you fry it for Jagery fritters, you have to fry it a second time. Now, take it out of the oil before it changes color. Now, let's prepare the Jagery fritters. For that, take a frying pan and add about 200 grams of Jagery powder. Now add half a cup of water to it. Now turn on the stove and mix it well to make a syrup. Now this syrup has a string consistency. Now add half a teaspoon of crushed cardamom, half a teaspoon of crushed cumin, and 1 teaspoon of crushed dried ginger. Mix all this well. It is well mixed. Now add the fried bananas that we had set aside. This is done after the bananas have cooled down. Now mix it well. You should mix it so that the Jagery covers all parts of the banana. Now sprinkle a tablespoon of rice flour on top of it. Mix it well. When it is well mixed, turn off the heat. Continue to mix it for a little while longer. Even if it is a bit sticky now, it will all separate when it cools down. The Jagery fritters are ready, so we can easily make Jagery fritters at home. I hope you all liked this video. If you liked it, remember to like, comment, and share. If you are watching this channel for the first time, remember to subscribe and follow the page. Chef Joji's YouTube channel and Facebook page have a lot of old videos, so try to watch them. So I will be back soon with a new video. Until then, bye-bye.